Whose dog is this?
Yes, he's my dog, Colonel, sir.
What in tarnation? Did you train this dog, soldier?
Yes, sir. Wasn't that hard, sir?
At ease. Look at him. He's been training alongside you guys, and he drills better than most of you. You could all learn something from him. Stubby. Okay, gas!
Hey, little dog. The dog is trying to warn us. Everybody, go inside and put on your masks.
There he is! Stubby!
It's okay. Shh. Stubby. It's gonna be okay. Shh.
Thank you for my whole village.
His name is Stubby.
Stubby, you are our hero, Stubby.